Hey guys, what's up? So we got the roof rack in. So if you guys missed the one video where I asked you guys what roof rack I should go with the 4Runner, had a lot of positive communication with that video and a lot of comments of a lot of different roof racks. But the one that I decided to go with was LFD Off-Road. And as you can tell by this nice small box, it's not a full roof rack. So what I thought would be more practical is right now, since, I'm not in the West and there's not a bunch of crap up top on this 4Runner, I just went with the crossbars. I believe I got four, either 4 or 5. So this video is just letting you guys know what I got. I got the LFD crossbars. And in another video, we're gonna be taking off the roof rails. So that will be one video, and we'll do the actual install video. So the reason I'm gonna be taking off the roof rails on the 4Runner is because I'm gonna be painting them black as well. So I'm gonna be sanding them down, painting them black, and reinserting them back on with these guys right here. But let's go ahead and get you guys a little sneak peek of these, and I'm actually excited to see them too. So for the most part, LFD customer service so far was freaking amazing. I had emailed them and I said, hey, I didn't see on your guys' website at all about any lead times or anything like that. Was just curious, I bought it on Black Friday. And the owner emailed me back and said, hey, if you need them faster, let us know. They just came back from powder coating and they should be shipping out in 2 weeks. And right after that, I basically got an email saying that they had shipped. So the customer service alone was incredible. So yeah, I got 4. Okay, that's what I thought. Dang, look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh man. That's sweet. Alright, so I got 4. And I didn't get metal, I got regular steel. Sweet, and all the hardware and instructions in there. Awesome. Okay guys, so hopefully within the week coming up, I'll be able to get the video of these installed. Also in a couple weeks, we have the rock sliders getting installed in the 4Runner. Next week, I should have these installed. That video will be coming out. I also have the canvas backliners that I need to install in the 4Runner as well. And then tomorrow's video is gonna be kind of like an end of year video. I kind of mentioned it in the rock slider video about making a video of how much a small YouTuber makes. This year I was very, very active with YouTube, and I didn't make a lot, but it's nice for all these mods that I did buy for the 4Runner to have been paid with YouTube. So I'm gonna be making that video for you all tomorrow. If some of you guys are interested in YouTube, you guys wanna start your own channel, you're wondering if the trade-off is worth it, stuff like that. So I'll be making that video for you guys tomorrow. But I'm super excited to get these in. They look really, really good. So if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to give this video a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you later.